What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to install these Subispeed taillights on a 2016 STI. You all should remember our buddy Adam with the Wicked STI. So we're going to be installing these on his car today. This was a recent kind of like birthday present to him. And then he also has, I believe it's called the tail as turn connectors. So instead of having the reverse light be his turn signal, right now it's the whole C on the stock taillights. The whole C light there is used as the turn signal. But we're going to be going over how that kind of works with it and seeing for ourselves what we have to do to get what we want as the turn signal. So without further ado, let's get right into this and install these lights. One other note, excuse the messy garage. We're going through a bunch of moving stuff around and kind of taking stuff in and out a lot. So right now it's not in the best condition, but it is what it is, and it works for a space for us to install these lights for now. It's actually raining a ton outside, so we had to pull the rear end of the car in to do this job. These are the white C light with the black reflector, or red reflector, but black background. It's this one, clear lens and matte black base. Yeah, that's all you need to know. That's what it is. This is it. There. Alright, so that all comes out. Wow. The more you know. Let me show you guys what we just did. So you pretty much remove that whole liner piece here, and you get to all sorts of cool things. Trace on. So yeah, just give them a little push on the studs. You should be able to just pop her right out. We'll see here.
It's the first time it's come out in 3 years.
Hey, would you look at that? So, this is our stock Subaru STI light. I believe it's the same thing as the Direct. He has a little fogged vinyl right there, which I actually love. I recommend giving your surface a good cleaning because it's not that often that you're going to be removing your taillights. So right here is where it tells you what to do with these. So we're gonna watch Adam put them in, and this is what you should do if you own these taillights.
Simple as that, I believe.
One there and one there. Just kind of thought of this good comparison of stock with some fog and then aftermarket, pretty much. So we're gonna place the light in now. We just pulled the plastic away just a little bit. We're gonna place it and plug it in, and see what we like first before we actually secure everything down with either sequential or non-sequential. Nice. So right now, what's it doing?
Tail is turned.
So what we're finding here is it is compatible with the connectors for the tail is turned, but it'll just make this inner C ring be the turn signal versus the sequential down here. So it looks like you'll have to remove the tail is turn connectors to run the sequential.
This little bad boy.
That's the tail is turn?
Yep. So basically what you do with this, so you plug this whole harness into your power system.
And that just changes.
Yep. The tail of the turn is, you saw earlier, that makes the brake light your turn signal.
So without that, we can run the sequential.
Yep. I like that.
Woo! That is, yeah, that's hot. I like that. To clarify, if you have the tail is turn, flipping that switch really does nothing for you because you're not pretty much activating the sequential. So if you want sequential or even the amber lights for your turn signal, just take out that connector that you would have bought for the stock light and then just flip the switch and you'll be good. So both lights are currently installed. I'm going to show you them with it off and then go through the cycle of each piece. So right now, car is off. Turn them on. So you can see they're just the red C right now. Touch the brakes. Ooh, yeah, so now you can see the whole inner illuminate lit up for that, which is looking really nice. Do the hazards. So as you can see, like I said earlier, we turned on the sequential. So just like the turn signals will be, they have the sequential hazards. That looks so good. And now pop it in reverse. Wow, that is so bright. That is crazy. That looks really good. I think that's all of them. I don't think there's anything else. That's sweet. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions on how to install these taillights, ask me, even though I won't have the car with me. That was literally the easiest install, plug and play ever. You take out the 3 bolts, pop it out, besides removing like the whole trunk liner, which also was very easy, which we still got to put back. Make sure to leave us any questions. We'll link these taillights down below, and we'll catch you next time. Stay wicked.